Hi everyone, we are participants from Polytechnic Merlimau, Melaka. Let us introduce ourselves. Subashnee, anak perempuan Marimuthu as presenter, Muhammad Faris bin Hashimuddin and Diyana Binti Ismail as participants. The title of our system is Multiple Pedestrian Crossing System using Arduino for Disabled People. The reason we came up with this project is due to the challenging everyday life due to COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic makes life difficult for even normal people. Just imagine how the disabled people, especially the blind, would have difficulty crossing the road. Considering that in our mind, we came up with a system called Multiple Pedestrian Crossing System using Arduino for disabled people. This project aims to help the blind and disabled people to cross the road by themselves. The building blocks our system incorporates Arduino Uno, laser module, buzzer, push button and light indicator. Our system is designed for disabled person, example, the blind, the deaf, the dumb, and person with other disabilities. We can also use this as a teaching model in Polytechnic. And the areas that we can cover by using this system is programming, especially using Arduino Uno, for students who will undertake project during their final semester. Students will also cover sensors, LDR and step sensors, which they study for semiconductor subject, and digital electronics. And student can also understand the simulation, especially the simulation to control the traffic light. Let's look at the design process of our system. For the system that we design here, we have three situations. Situation 1, when a disabled person, especially a blind person or any other person with disabilities, pass along the LDR sensor, the infrared will be activated. And this is how the traffic light will work. D1 will blink green for 5 seconds, then D2 will be yellow for 1 second, followed by D3 red to alert the drivers to stop their vehicle. Then the pedestrian light will turn green for 10 seconds. This will enable the disabled people to cross the road. And while they are crossing the road, the buzzer will be heard by the disabled person. For situation 2, the disabled person will step J1 or J2, and the process is repeated as the same way before. In situation 3, the disabled person, besides blind person, either deaf or dumb people, they can press the push button and the same process is repeated. This will enable the disabled people to cross the road without any fear of getting into any accident. Situation 2, the disabled person will step on the step sensor. D1 will blink green for 5 seconds, D2 yellow for 1 second, and D3 red to alert the drivers. The pedestrian is able to cross the road. For situation 3, the disabled person will press the push button. D1 will blink 5 seconds, D2 will be green, followed by D3 red, and the pedestrian is able to cross the road. At the end of our presentation, our conclusion is this system is designed to help disabled people to cross the road by themselves without the fear of accident. What we'd like to do as further improvements for this project is we are planning to add a counter, voice and IoT to the model so that we can use it as a teaching aid in Polytechnic.